Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Garmin Edge 130 to your phone. First, make sure your Edge 130 device is fully charged and powered on. Next, download the Garmin Connect mobile application from your phone's App Store. This free app is essential for the connection process. Finally, navigate to your phone's settings and ensure Bluetooth is enabled, as this wireless technology is crucial for pairing. Now, let's get your devices talking. Open the Garmin Connect app on your phone and either create a new account or sign into your existing one. Once inside the app, tap on Garmin Devices and then select Add Device. Your phone will search for nearby Garmin devices. Choose the Edge 130 from the list. A 6-digit pairing code will appear on both your phone and your Edge 130. Confirm this code to complete the pairing. With your Edge 130 connected, the Garmin Connect app becomes your central hub. It automatically syncs all your ride data, including speed, distance, and elevation, as soon as you finish an activity. You can dive deep into detailed statistics and track your progress over time. The app also allows you to customize device settings, manage data fields, and even update your Edge 130's software, ensuring you always have the latest features. If you encounter any connection issues, try restarting both your phone and your Garmin Edge 130. Also, double-check that the Garmin Connect app has all the necessary permissions enabled on your phone. Connecting your devices unlocks fantastic benefits, like receiving smart notifications directly on your Edge 130 and enabling live tracking for friends and family. You can also access real-time weather updates and easily download courses for your next adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.